Hello everyone, today I want to show you a new automation workflow that I developed. Whenever we work on a project with multiple modelers, or even if you are the coordinator yourself and you need to report an issue, a modeling error, or a coordination problem, we usually rely on WhatsApp, emails, or direct messages to notify someone the issue. In my case, I use Microsoft Teams, and today I am going to show you how I connect Revit, Teams, and Excel to automatically send and track issues directly from the model. As you can see here, I already ran a few tests, including the data I need, and also a screenshot captured directly from Revit. So, through an automated workflow here in Power Automate, the information is sent to an Excel file where every issue is registered for tracking and management. So let's start in Revit. This is the button I developed called Teams Connector. If I press Shift plus click, I can configure the webhook parameter, which comes from the Power Automate workflow. This webhook is what connects Revit with Teams. I also added another option called Select from Linked Model. This allows me to select elements from linked models. For example, if I am working in the architectural model and I want to report an issue on a structural column from a linked structural model, I can do it directly. Now, I run the tool normally. For example, if I select this door and report an issue, change door type, for example, I click OK, and a confirmation message appears showing that the issue was successfully sent. Then inside Teams, after a few seconds, I can see the new adaptive card appears automatically. This card contains all the issue information like project, report by me, assigned to someone else. If this is a worksheet project, it calls a user, the element ID, the category, and the issue. Now that the team is connected with Revit, I also wanted to connect everything with Excel for tracking purposes. Here I have the Excel table, and you can see that this new row automatically added, including the creation date and time, the issue ID, the description, and the current status, the description link, and the team message link too. This allows me to keep a complete log of all project issues. Now, let's say someone starts working on the issue inside Teams, so I can change the status to work in progress. Through another automated workflow, the Excel table updates automatically with the new status and the new time stamp. As you can see here, the status has changed and the time has been updated. This allows BIM coordinators and BIM managers to track issue status, resolution times, workflow efficiency, and overall coordination progress. Now let's create another issue. For example, I select this roof element and I report maybe change material. So I click OK. This issue is sent instantly again. If I go to the channel of Teams, now I can mark, in the previous issue, I can mark resolved. So you can see the status is updated. And in the new one, I can click on closed. And once again, the Excel files updated automatically with the new status and the updated time. Finally, I want to briefly show how the workflow was built. This tool itself was developed using pyRevit. I use Power Automate in Teams. This handled the combination progress. The workflow started with the webhook. Then I created a file that contains the screenshot and is uploaded in the SharePoint. Then I extract the image URL, a custom parsing step interprets the data, and then the adaptive card is dynamically generated. The issue is posted into the selected Teams channel, and finally a new row is automatically added into the Excel tracking table. So that's everything I wanted to show you today. Let me know in the comments what other workflows or automations you would like to see, and thanks for watching.